Michigan's COVID-19 numbers, while high, are trending in the right direction, and state health leaders believe we avoided an expected surge of cases after Thanksgiving. But as 13 on your side's Joneigh Khaldun explains, there is still concern about Christmas and New Year's.
Dr. Joneigh Khaldun, the state's medical executive, said this week there doesn't appear to have been a post-Thanksgiving surge in cases. But that doesn't mean we can go back to normal. It means efforts to slow the spread of COVID-19 are working.
That means many Michiganders did their part in keeping spread of the virus down over the Thanksgiving holiday.
Do not visit family for holidays. Wear a mask and keep your distance. These are things we've all heard from state and medical leaders for months, and it appears the message has been heard. Cases per million people, hospitalizations, and positivity rates have been trending down the past week or two. But Dr. Khaldun says now is not the time to let our guard down.
But we can't forget that our case rates remain alarmingly high, and our percent of tests that are positive is still 4 times what it was at the beginning of September.
In West Michigan, Ottawa County also did not see a huge spike in cases after Thanksgiving.
That's not to say that more cases didn't happen, because certainly more people got COVID-19, but it wasn't a significant amount that impact our improving trend.
Public Information Officer for the Department of Public Health, Christina Waymink, says the reason why could be many factors, but she hopes prevention was the key as more people did their part to slow the spread.
So we are still at a critical point where we have a substantial number of cases each day. So we do, again, encourage people to keep gathering small, limit the number of households, and please be careful as you celebrate this season.
Tuesday, Ottawa County reported 174 cases of COVID-19. Waymink says even though there is excitement from the vaccine, it's time to be as diligent as ever, as it will take time to distribute. And Governor Whitmer echoed this sentiment to limit gatherings as we approach more holidays closing out December.
If you're planning to travel or gather with other households for the holidays, we are urging you to reconsider. Just don't do it this year, so we can resume doing that next year when it's safe to do so.
Joneigh Khaldun, 13 on your side.
Michigan reported around 4,000 new COVID-19 cases today, and the 7-day average fell again down to 4,500. An FDA advisory board meets tomorrow to discuss authorizing Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine for emergency use. And Congress is nearing an agreement on a COVID-19 relief package that would include direct payments to low-income Americans.